YouTube. Today I'm working on 2002 Audi A4. I'm gonna show you how to replace your oxygen sensor. It's bank 1, sensor 2. It's located in a really complicated spot, so I can show you location of it and how to replace it. So just follow me. I'm gonna put this car on the lead and show you how to do it. Alright guys, here's our Audi and I'm gonna show you how you can get to the O2 sensor, bank 1, sensor 2. It's really hard to see it, but I'm gonna show you from the bottom and then from the top. So if you look at on the passenger side right there, and you see your catalytic converter right here, and you see the first sensor is gonna be bank 1, sensor 1, but another one is gonna be on the end of this catalytic converter. If you'll put your hand in there, it's really hard to get it, so it's better to do it. We'll try to do it from the top. And same thing on this side is gonna be bank 2, sensor 1, and this one on the top is gonna be bank 2, sensor 2. So let's get better view from the top. So the sensor is gonna be on this side, and there's gonna be some of these connectors, we'll figure it out. So to get over there, we need to remove all this stuff. First we need to remove the power and the wires. So it's gonna be this guy over there, this green connector. I got a new one, but I don't know why his connector is black and wire too long for that, but we will see. To remove the oxygen sensor, you need to have a special tool like this. Here's the cut for the wire. So you just the oxygen sensor on So I got the sensor. Now I need to put it new one in. Alright guys, that's it. I spent like 25 minutes to do it, and this video was about how to replace your oxygen sensor on 2002 Audi A4 with 3-liter engine. There was bank 1, sensor 2. Thank you for watching.